Hi boys and girls, this is Mr. Ibarra, and for today's lesson you are going to need some things. You're going to need your math book, you're going to need a pencil, and you are going to need your blocks. So go ahead and pause this video, go get your materials, and come back and push play when you are ready. Let's go over our learning objective for today, and it is, I can make groups of tens and ones. Let's read that again. I can make groups of tens and ones. And that's what we're going to be working on today. So what we're going to do today is we are going to regroup some of our counters into groups of tens and ones. So we're going to make groups of tens and ones. So I have some counters right here. And if I count these counters by one, I am going to do this. I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So by counting by ones, I know that I have 14 counters right there. Okay? Now, there is an easier way to do this. What I can do is I can make a friendly 10. We talked about friendly 10s before. So I'm going to make a group of 10 counters. So I'm going to put 10 of these counters together to make a group of 10. And I'm going to see how many groups of 10 I can make. Okay, so here's one group of 10, and I don't think I have enough to make another group of 10. So right now I don't. I have one group of 10 and then 4 ones. So this group right here, this stick that I made a 10 stick. And so now I have one 10 stick, and these blocks I'm just going to call ones. And I have 4 ones. So how many blocks do I have? Well, let's see. I could say I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 blocks. So this is the same amount of blocks as I had before when they were all disconnected right here. Those are both 14. The only difference was that I made a group of 10. So that is called regrouping. So I'm showing you how to make a number two different ways. One by making a new group of 10 and some ones left over. And they both make 14. Let's do another one. So what if I say I have some more here, and I have some blocks right there, and now there's two ways to count these blocks. I could count by ones, which I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I could say I have 16 blocks. Or I could make a group of 10. And so I'm going to see how many groups of 10s I can make. Okay, well, it looks like I can make one group of 10, and then I have some more left over. Okay, so I have one group of 10 and then 6 ones. So let's count this. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I still have 16. So again, regrouping, I just made groups of 10 and it gave me 16, just like before. And so the answer is still 16. This is just a faster way of counting. All right, so let's try another one. Okay, so let's try another one. And this time we have some more blocks here. Okay, we have some more blocks. And again, we're going to count to see how many blocks. Now we could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Or, so I have 23, or I could regroup some. And let me make groups of 10. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here's one group of 10. And I have some ones left over, but it looks like I might still have enough blocks to make another group of 10. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's another group of 10. So, and then I have some more blocks. It doesn't look like I have any more. I don't have another group of 10 in there because I only have 3. So now I have 2 10s and 3 1s. So I could say I have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I still have 23 blocks, but this is easier and faster to count than when we had the single blocks. Okay, so let's open up our books and go to page number 371. And let's get started. So if we have 23 ones, so let's say 23 ones, let's put some blocks right here. I say 23, this is 23 blocks. Okay, so now this is a lot to count, and it doesn't make it very easy when it's like this. So what we can do is we are going to do some regrouping. We're going to find groups of 10. Okay, so I'm going to find some groups of 10, and I could say that I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here's one group of 10, and I think I still have enough to make another group of 10. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have another group of 10. So I have 2 10s and I have 3 1s. Okay, so let's see. So you may not have enough of these blocks at home, so I'm going to show you how to draw a 10 stick, and I'm going to show you how to make some 1s. So when you're drawing these as a 10 stick, you can do this. So because I have 2 10s and 3 1s, so I'm going to do a 10 stick looks like this. So that's 1 10, and then here's another 10. So that's 2 10s, and then these are what the 1s. Instead of doing them like this, I'm just going to do 3 dots. Okay, so this picture right here shows 2 10s and 3 1s, just like this. 2 10s and 3 1s. Okay, so why don't make sure you draw it just like that on your paper to show this number. So this is 23, right? Because there are 2 10s and how many 1s? 3 1s equals 23, because we said that when we counted all of these, when they were broken all apart, we had 23 blocks. All right, so let's turn the page. And it says, you can show a number as tens and ones. You can regroup 10 ones as 110. Helpful hint. Put together 10 ones to make 110. So right here, they have a bunch of blocks, just like I did before. And so they are going to circle 10, circle the 10 that they're going to put together to make it into a 10 stick. So let's circle that. We're going to circle those. Great. And we're going to say, how many 10s do they have? Well, we have 110. And how many ones do they have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 ones. So 110 and 6 ones makes 16. So that's the number 16. Okay, and now it says, use blocks, circle groups of 10, write how many 10s and 1s. Write how many there are in all. Okay, so if we have 14 ones, so here's 14 of these blocks. Now, we want to make a group of 10, so let's do that. Ready? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to circle these 10. And how many, whoops, let me use this pen. Maybe you'll be able to see it better. So I'm going to circle this. And now I have 1. How many 10s do I have? Well, it looks like I have 1 10. And how many 1s? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 1 10 and 4 1s. So 1 10 and 4 1s makes 14. Makes 14. Okay? All right. Because that's 1 10 and 4 1s. Okay. So let's do number 2. Now, again, I'm going to circle 10. Groups of 10. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to circle that group. And do I have room for another one? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I do. That's another 10. So I have, how many groups of 10 do I have? I have one group right here and one group right there. So that's 2 10s. I'm going to make 2 10s right there. And then how many? I have one that I did not circle. It's right there. So I'm going to put a 1 right there. So I have how many? 2 10s. And you can see I made my mark right there. So I'm going to write, I have 2 10s and 1 1. So what number does that make? That makes 21. 21. Okay, so fantastic. Now let's move on to the next part. This is the on my own section. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to try these next 2 pages on your own. You may use your blocks or any other tools, math tools that you need. And I want you to try to answer these. Once you are done, well, go ahead and pause the video. Once you are done, you are going to come back and we can review the answers together. Okay, so let's see, it says use blocks to circle groups of 10. Write how many 10s and 1s. Write how many there are in all. So let's circle a group of 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to circle those. So I have 1 10, and how many 1s? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1 10 and 3 1s equals 13. That's right. And here's another one. This one has 26 ones. Those are all 26 ones. So let's circle 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'm going to circle 10. I think I have enough for another one, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to circle these. That's another one. Okay. And I don't think I have enough for another 10. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope. So I can't circle another one. So how many 10s do I have? That's true. We have 2 10s and how many 1s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 10s and 6 1s. Let's write that down. So 26 1s equals 2 10s and 6 1s, and that makes 26. Okay, so that's how many blocks we have in all. So, it says, make groups of 10s and 1s. Write how many. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to get my whiteboard so I can make my groups right here and then circle them. So let's start. And it says 35 ones. So if I have 35 ones, okay, let's make 35 ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Oh my goodness, so many dots. Okay, so that's 35 ones. So now let's circle 10. So let's find 10 to circle. Ready? Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I circled right there. Let's see any more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to circle another one. Okay, let's see if I think I have some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle these. I don't think I have enough for another one. So how many 10s do I have? Let's see, I have 3 10s. And how many 1s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 1s. So I have 3 10s and 5 1s. So I'm going to write that over here, and I'm going to say that I have 3 10s. When I have 35 ones, I have 3 10s and 5 1s, and that makes 35. Okay, great. So now let's do the next one. So I'm just going to erase these circles so I don't have to make these dots again. Okay, and it says 47. So if I need 47. So since I don't want to make all these dots, I know that I had 35 right here. All right, this was 35. So let's do some more. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So now I have 47 ones right there. Now let's circle 10. Okay, so let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Have another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's another 10. Okay. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's another 10. And do I have enough for another one? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I do not. Okay, so how many tens do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. How many ones do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I have 7 ones. So so let's go to our paper and write that. So I have how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. How many ones? Well, we said we had 7 ones. So 47 ones has 4 tens and 7 ones, and that makes 47. That means there's 47 dots in all. Okay, so I'm starting to see a pattern. So I see that every time I have a 2-digit number like this, and every time that I have a 2-digit number, I see that the first number over here is the tens, and then the next number is the ones. So 13 ones actually meant 1 10 and 3 ones, and it made 13. When I had 26 ones, I had 2 tens, and then the next number over was the ones, and 6 ones, and it made 26. Over here, when I had this 2-digit number, the first digit was a 3, so I had 3 tens. And the next digit was the ones, and it said 5 ones. I made 35. So do you see the pattern? This number, 47 ones, the first digit is a 4, so that means 4 tens. The next digit is the ones, so that means 7 ones. So here's this one. It says 67 ones. Knowing the pattern that the first digit is the tens and the second digit is the ones, what do you think? How many tens do you think we have in this when it says 67 ones? That's right. We have 6 tens. And how many ones? 7 ones. And that makes 67. Fantastic. All right, let's see if we can do it with this last one, with this pattern. 29 ones. So if I look at this first digit, the number 2 is the 10. So that means I have 2 tens. And how many ones do I have? 9 ones. That's right. So 2 tens and 9 ones makes the number 29. Great. Yeah, that's see how there was that pattern and it keeps working. So that's an easier way to do those. All right, so let's do the back part. And it says there are 24 ones. Write how many tens and ones. Write how many there are in all. So I know that if there's 24 ones, and we're going to use the same pattern, I know that this number right here, the first number, is a 10. So how many tens are there? There are 2 tens and 4 ones in this number, and it makes 24. Okay, this one says Abby has 45 stickers. She has 4 sets of 10 stickers that are flowers. The rest are butterflies. How many stickers are butterflies? So if she has 4 sets of 10, so she has, let's see, that's 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 tens. All of these are butterflies. The rest have to be flowers. So I know that this number, those are the butterflies. So how many are the flowers? 5 have to be flowers. That's the other digit. So 5 stickers. I'm sorry, I said that backwards. These are the flowers, and then these are the butterflies. So 5 of the stickers are butterflies. All right, so let's go to the very last one, and it says, explain how to regroup 51 ones as 10s and 1s. Well, we know that with our pattern, when we have the number 51 ones, we know that this first digit right here tells us how many groups of 10s we have. So we can could say you can make 5 groups of 10s and 1 group of 1s. Okay, so you can say you can make 5 groups of 10, right? 5 groups of 10s and 1 group of 1s. Right? That's how we know, because we know the pattern. The first digit was the 10s, the next digit was the 1s. So we have 5 groups of 10 and 1 group of 1. So that's how we can regroup that number. Okay, boys and girls, great job today. So make sure you take a picture of both of these pictures, turn them into Seesaw, and I will see you later. Bye.